Welcome to Kings. Kings and Queens.
Kings and Queens. Yep. Laura's gonna treat us. Kings. When my kids, I got them. This is what I eat. First enough in the morning. You hear there, you got the big one, and he's not even willing to share. No, only this one. No good.
Beef shank.
Yeah, you're Seeger / driver. Apa? Ini kita rum na whiskey.
Fried chicken.
Oh yeah, but you got the
Smoked beef.
smoked beef. Yep.
The fried chicken. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Can I get a small plate just because of
Happy?
Oh, I'm sorry, I got it here.
Thank you. All right. That's it.
May bertemu waktu bisa. Jadi sepuluhnya ada bang Roman suntok taruh.
I want to have sesame.
Huwag ka tolong pilas kayo sa kapatid. Kaya may poke mo rin.
Fried chicken with french fries.
Ukarang.
Maybe it works for a different table.
Sabihin, ito.
Nalutan eh, ano yung siling.
You have your fried chicken already.
Yeah, it's over here.
This place is good.
Big portion.
The only thing is price is what the well, Lord, had you order nga for check. Can I get one extra rice?
Sa kami mo kumbong. Kun mo? Jitat na. Iya, sila nagkaras sa kan mo kumbong katat. May siya kora. Ito siya ganit sabi yung niti. Sour.
Sure. Never more.
Ay, tita mo po, niti barsa.
Alright, this is Janet's store. Yeah, see, they got real good food over here. Bento style. Anyway, good morning. This is another day here in Guam, and we're at Janet's store. Hi, Janet.
Yellow for them.
Yeah, Janet.
Askapon, wait kana konsumsi biwasan fito na itan karan. Pukoki tuna.
Iya na pukoki.
Yeah.
Sayan. Pukoki tuna
Yeah. Spicy and
spicy
sweet.
sweet kimchi
Hey.
and chicken.
The discount ni ano ba?
Yeah. Janet dapat discount ni nakalilikkat.
Ito nga sa Eddie.
Iyeran. Jojo. Chansi. Wait. We have another one. The whole family is working here. Bye, Jancy. Jancy. Oh, bro. Oh, look at the green onion. Green onion is like $2.29. That's ridiculous. $2.29. Oh well. Oh well, it's okay. It's all Korean style food. Well, I think I might as well just grab another one. But yes, this is a nice store. Nice small grocery store. If I can.
Yeah.
Okay. Oops.
Oh, naman si Dennis.
Okay, bye. Okay. Alright. Okay. We're gonna go eat now. Okay, welcome back guys again. Today turns out to be very good because we've got some visitors in town visiting from Micronesia, Alberta, and then once again the special guest of honor, the one that stays at the Hyatt Hotel, very expensive one here on Guam, Arpi, and then what's her name again? Popopa? Popopa is one of the ambassadors coming representing Japan. She's in the back. So, and then of course our designated driver, Santa. So once again, today is a very special day. We're on a mission to go and hunt down all the good restaurants. So we happen to be at one right now. It's just right behind me. Very famous one. Lord, kapag miss out. Thank you girls for taking us to another very good trip. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe. Is that take it off this?
Yeah. Ngiti. Oh, maringat ko po.
YouTube, welcome to my
Oy.
channel.
Ina. Dayquil, NyQuil. Pwede mi ruwafag.
Dayquil, NyQuil. Dayquil and NyQuil. Oh, sorry, may syuk-syukan na ka na. Skizo mo, pero check. Pari ito. Facebook ya. Ay! Skiya na rap mo na yung construction mo yung balikan.
Wala mi takaray ito. Mi kan friare. Ni may safik ka na.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Oo.
Yeah, nagpalo na. Nagpalo.
Wala naman na ako ito.
Ako na ba?
Sir, Spanish roll.
Ah? Ay, okay lang eh, pare. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Okay. Rexy.
Oh, dito nang pwede pa siya kangiwanan na to eh. May taka.
Ano ba fan man taran?
Ako,
Pag-friend mangangang lang.
pala ngayon to eh.
Ikanas kan ratay ko. Oh, kana tayo rochela me pickle iwa item kana po 5.99.
May isa interested lang na po. Isa paro alon hindi ka para.
And
Palmit. Bien.
hindi mo pala yan ka. Me tumara rasano mo na yan.
Hey. Hey, pero minan. Kulan na. Eh, so what?
Uwi.
Ay!
Uwi daw nila man ay nga 14.99.
Hey, yung taas mo na. Ayo, pupikira mereka tu bewarar kami.
We're at a different restaurant. Today is a very special day. Every day is a special day for all of us, especially us coming down here on Guam, because we have people taking us out to different places and we appreciate that. So today it's that person's right. The Grandma Pansy. She's taking us here to feed us. Feed the hungry. Feed the hunger. Feed the hunger. Hey, yeah. Apuk. Patacha ko sir, kay siri sab mo kay sa sorpan.
Kan man mo pang sa karobi ko sa ko.
Ngapo tayo kami.
So namin pong desyo di pong ay wala ko.
Barbecue pork, beef and broccoli.
Pwede na uso. Order now? Not yet.
Yes, order na.
Whose Coke is this?
That's mine. Can I get the salt and pepper fish?
Your salt and pepper shrimp, does it come with rice?
Yes.
Can I try that please?
Chicken with
Fried chicken.
That's their menu.
Chicken with what?
Steven,
number 7.
kinukira.
Fried chicken.
Nevinnan. Ya to iki puta karo.
Mixed vegetable.
Yeah, and then
Number 7.
number 7. Yeah.
Burecek paceta po Steven baga kato
Salt and
puluan
pepper
nan.
fish, salt and pepper shrimp. Chicken chasui, beef chasui. Right? Thank you.
Thank you. Ito wa kya? Which one is this? Salt and pepper?
Yeah, some of the shit and the fish.
Okay.
Wali ya mama rupan.
Ngay ka mo na. Chinese people.
Oh, yeah, it's a karo. Yeah, there's salt and pepper. They have different salt and pepper. May I find the Robert?
Salt and pepper fish.
Salt and pepper. Apa mo yun?
So charge to lang.
Beef.
Yes.
Beef?
Now milk of bacon. Ina, paleo. Lupi, ako. Ilaiye, paleo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sí, puedo.
Chili, paleo.
Ito kan mon beef, ano chicken yun. May po tiyaran.
Wet fat. Fili-fili mo ngon na wet.
Pwede mo tiyo siya pandang yun na. Ay, siya mo yung gis yan natin. Isi yun mo yung tayo na siya. Nguruang yun na sa sin.
Miyorcha cruz so mo beef. Iba frozen.
No, alam po sa mga.
Ito siya for microwave.
Check your order.
Chicken with vegetable.
Brilliant. Alam
Patas mo.
Chicken.
Diba?
これな우르먹고 자리에 시가를 나를 어때요?
Dandan mo.
Kami dalang sabihan mo reka.
그 ruan nili 그 painso.
Kimkara. Kimkara. Kita mo?
Tingkar.
Kimkara dito.
Kaya ko sa regular steel sorry. Alright, we're actually done now. Our ERP is cleaning up the table to bring these leftovers to feed everyone. Thank you, Grandma Panchi and Grandma Arpi. Thank you for taking us down here.
No, don't take my thing.
I'm here with these guys, just kicking back out here, enjoying the wind. Austin, huh? You look like you're enjoying staying over here. Huh? See, nothing to do but just staying out here and just enjoying the beautiful view. The view of the beach.
$5, guys.
Everybody feeling much better? Like not sick
I
anymore?
was never sick in my eyes.
Mm.
You know you're comfortable when you only got one sock and one.
You want to flop? Talk to the camera?
Oh my god. We're just hanging out right now.
Not that one.
I'll still talk to them.
I just record you guys.
No, record you. I get so annoying, bro.
Fish. Is the con. Now that's the local style, Chucky style.
Pwede ito, sama ka.
What's this? Metero. Sokun. Masker. Present.
Pwede, sama ka.
Apa sawo very sick? Very sick. Poran naratska. Sawo. Ariarturigo.
Ha?
Purwandan nargo. Faitaratu. Chiti. Eu quero
Oh, kekti.
ficar de carro que era.
Ah, vamos lá, vamos lá.
Muito.
Vamos lá, kekti. Ito ba, pwede? Ito.
Come. Yeah. Baby shark. Baby shark. Baby shark. Baby shark. Yeah. Watch. Huh? Coconut? Mela?
What's that? Oh, better is better what? Well, come. Right, my stone. Argentina. Taiwan. Yeah. Kami pa study poverty ka safety.
Tori ole boga? Ina. Ini seperti ramai chat di waktu.
Apa sawo medicine?
Iya. Yang waktu dia ini.
Ito ako patungag. Very sweet.
Hi.
Ay, nabog.
Let's see. Ano yun?
Hi. I'm okay being here.